Hi, my name is Sean Story, and I'm in the Adult Education program here at Kachemak Bay Campus, and this is our Science for Healthcare Workers. We're going to spend the next 15 weeks together traveling through various different science topics to help you prepare for a career in healthcare. Let's take a look. First, we're going to focus on biology. We're going to have a 4-week unit. We're going to focus on the cellular level and look at all the different cellular organelles, or the parts of a cell, from the nucleus to the mitochondria to the Golgi body. We're going to look at DNA replication and how we form gametes or sex cells, and how affects genetics and reproduction. We're going to look at cell division and growth and look at the various stages of human development from different perspectives. And we're going to end looking at the final question: what are the requirements of human life? Specifically looking at maintaining homeostasis. After that, we're going to move into our anatomy unit for 3 weeks, where we're going to focus on the human body. We'll start with the structure of the human body, focusing on bones, joints, and tissues. Then we're going to look at different systems in the human body with 2 parts. Our first part will focus on the respiratory system and our digestive system. And then we will look at our cardiovascular system, and then we will finish with the brain and the nervous system. After that, we will have 4 weeks dedicated specifically to medical terminology. We will focus on Latin and Greek root words and give you the tools needed for when you discover a new scientific word. You can break up those small building blocks and have the best guess of what this new term could possibly mean. We're going to look at all the common illnesses and diseases, and we'll finally look at all the common abbreviations and jargon used in the healthcare field. After that, we will focus on specific skills for healthcare workers. We will look at various skills you will need to be successful in the CNA or nursing program, and skills you will need for that future career. We will look at reading analytical clocks and working with both 12 and 24-hour clocks. We will look at working with manual scales and taking the weights of clients. We're going to look at the metric system and how we do conversions from the standard system of fluid ounces, cups, and pints, and moving that over to the metric system of liters and milliliters. We're going to look at reading scientific graphs and charts and how we can get information from that and deliver information with graphs and charts. And finally, we're going to have a brief introduction of the 23 skills, the skills test needed for the CNA certificate. And so this is our 15-week plan for Science for Healthcare Workers. I'm excited to be going through this journey with you and excited to get into our first lesson in biology. I'll see you then.